Yo, what's going on, guys? Thank you so much for tuning into another video. So obviously by the title, guys, you guys can tell that I picked up another car. Yesterday I picked up a 2020 M340i. Long story short, guys, I really missed the B58 engine. When I had the 340i, I got into that car just because the deal made sense when I was looking for a new car at the time. I didn't realize how much I would fall in love with that engine, to be honest with you guys. Nonetheless, I loved the car. It was super nice. I did so much stuff to it. I had so much fun with that car, but it's the engine, honestly, that I really missed. I actually own the M2 competition, and the S55 didn't do it for me as well as the B58 did. So recently, guys, I had been thinking, you know what, let's pick up another car with the B58 engine. Obviously, the first car that comes to mind is the Toyota Supra. The Toyota Supra is a really nice car. It's probably the more sporty looking car between these two, but honestly, guys, I have huge respect for the BMW's 3 Series lineup. And I just wanted a really comfy, fast, reliable sedan. So the M340i was probably the best choice for me to pick. But yeah, guys, I went to the dealership yesterday. My good buddy Eric actually works at a BMW dealership. He made it so easy for me. We checked out a few cars, and this is the one that I liked. This is just insane, guys. 2020 has obviously been a crazy year for everyone. This year I picked up the E93 M3, which I am just in love with completely. And then now we got the new M340i, which I'm so excited to start learning about and just doing more stuff with it. I'm not gonna get into full detail as far as everything this car offers, because it is like packed with technology. Probably make a separate video for that, guys, but I'll just give you guys a quick rundown. So yeah, guys, let's get into the video. All right, guys, here she is, my brand new M340i. The color I ended up going with was a mineral gray. When we went to the dealership, guys, they had two colors. They had the new blue color, and then they had white. I've had so many white cars, guys. I was not about to get another white car, and when I seen this gray in person, I honestly fell in love with it. There is another gray color they offer for the M340i. I believe is an individual color. I'm not too sure. I'll attach it right here. One of my good buddies actually has it, and it's so nice. But this mineral gray just looks so nice in a direct sunlight. Let's continue doing a little walk around so you guys can see the rest of the car. This car is so nice. Honestly, yesterday was such a hectic day. I didn't really get to soak everything in. But today's a fresh day, guys. I'm just like, I woke up, I checked out the car, and I was just like, you know what? It is such a beautiful car. Just look how aggressive the front end is. Wow, looks so good. Obviously, guys, you guys know I have so many plans with this car. So yeah, guys, that was a full walk around. What are your initial thoughts? Comment down below. I know the new grille structures didn't do it for a lot of people. I know comparing this to the old 3 Series, it's a completely different car. So a lot of people were just a little hesitant. They weren't liking the new 3 Series too much. But honestly, guys, it has grown on me so much, and it's just a freaking amazing car. Obviously, the two biggest changes that I've seen so far in the 3 Series, guys, are the new grills and the new style headlights. One thing that I really don't like, and I'm kind of mad that BMW started doing this, is they're putting these weird exhaust tips on the car. I don't even know what that is. Definitely want to do a dual or quad. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do yet, but that's going to go soon, guys. I really like the wheels the car came with. You guys can check them out. They're 19-inch. They look so nice. The other two cars I was looking at, one of them had 19s, but it was a different style, and I was not a huge fan of. The other one was 18, and the wheel was just really busy. I'll attach pictures right here below so you guys can see. These are like some really nice stock wheels. I feel like if BMW made them a little more aggressive as far as specs, better offsets, they would have looked really good once I lowered the car and stuff. Possibly still gonna run them when I lower the car, maybe put some spacers. They'll get the job done in the meantime, but these are really nice as well. We got the new M340i badge. I know some people are gonna hate that. Why do they put an M badge on the 340i? But I think technically now the M340i is actually considered an M car, so it's okay to have it on there, I guess. Putting M badges on certain cars, that is a huge debate in the BMW community. Honestly, I don't get too much into it. It doesn't really bother me that much. So yeah, guys, that was just a quick walk around. We're gonna go inside the car right now, talk a little bit more about the features that are in there. Again, not get too in depth, because inside it is loaded with technology, and the video would drag on. I'm probably gonna make a separate video for that, showing all the features the car can do. But yeah, guys, I'm just blown away on how nice this car is. It looks so nice in the direct sunlight. All right, guys, so if the exterior didn't do it for you for the new 3 Series, I'm sure the interior will. It is absolutely gorgeous. Just insanely well designed, well done. Here, let's go inside. Let me get this little fly out. As you guys can see, the car is brand new. We still got the tape on the door sills. We even have this little screen protector still on the gauges. Completely new car, guys. We probably have like, how many miles do we have here? Let's see, we have 80 miles total, guys. So literally just got the car, guys. If you're in the market for a new 3 Series and the exterior is not doing it for you, honestly, just go drive the new M340i. sit inside it, just really soak in everything that the car has to offer, and you'll be sold. But anyway guys, we'll start off with the steering wheel. It's a really nice new steering wheel design. It is really beefy, which I really liked. The older 3 Series, the steering wheels were a little wonky. They weren't as thick as I would like them, no homo. And yeah guys, this one is just really nice. I can't wait to add some carbon fiber trim. I don't want to talk about all the stuff I'm planning to do, but yeah guys, I can't wait to add some carbon fiber trim and stuff like that. Possibly get new paddles and stuff. It's just gonna really beef up the steering wheel and make it really nice and sporty. One thing I'm super hyped about is the digital gauges. I know this might not be a pro for some people, but I think it's really cool. Just let me rev it so you guys can see. One thing that's drastically different is this area now compared to the old 3 Series. It's starting to look like a Porsche in here. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Porsches, but they have tons of buttons, and that's what it's starting to look like in here. This might be a little too busy for some people, but I don't mind. It's very straightforward. It tells you what each button does. We got the 3 modes right here. We got Eco Pro, Comfort, and Sport. Your new Start Stop button is actually located right here. It's not right here anymore. And yeah guys, tons of space for all your stuff, wallet, whatever, cup holders, USB ports. The iDrive system is freaking updated to the max now. So many cool things you guys can do. One thing I'm super hyped about that you can do in this car is there is an interior lighting trim you guys can change. So right now I have it on this lilac color, but you can go through so many more options. I'll probably talk about that in a separate video. Another thing that I missed guys was having 4 doors. I took that for granted I guess, but just check out the rear seats guys. There's tons of room back here. It's really nice. I'm honestly not that tall, but I sit in here really comfortably. Let me show you guys. Not that bad. There's a lot of headspace and stuff. You guys can see the front from here. Let's check it out. Just really nice guys. But yeah guys, that's just a quick rundown on the interior guys. Honestly, the interior is a 10 out of 10 in my opinion. Some people might not like it. It would be cool if they offered a carbon fiber trim inside, but I'm pretty sure they're saving that for the M3 version of this car, which I possibly plan to get one day if it does come out, whenever that does happen. I know some people aren't gonna like it. They might feel like they're getting into like an X series, how it looks in here. Me personally guys, honestly, I don't mind it. I think BMW honestly always put their better interior in the more expensive cars, and now they're actually finally starting to show some more love to, I don't want to say the lower model cars because the M340i is still a really expensive car, but just like the normal 3 Series. So let's check out what's under the hood guys. This is the glorious B58 engine. Super nice. Everything looks completely stock. Not for long though. Probably do some bolt-ons and stuff like that down the line. We got this new engine cover that looks really sick. So before we end this video guys, I definitely want to get some exhaust clips for you guys. So we'll do some exhaust revs in, let's see, let me focus here. We'll do some exhaust revs in Comfort, and then in Sport Eco Pro. Honestly, I feel like there's no point guys. One thing I did notice is that there's already some burbles already on the car. So as you guys just heard, honestly, it doesn't sound bad for a stock car, guys. I don't know if BMW added some verbals in there, but it sounds really good. The first revs you guys heard were on comfort mode, and then obviously if you guys heard the burbles, that was on Sport Plus mode. Sounds really good in my opinion. I can't wait to put an exhaust in there, possibly put a catalyst downpipe because I know that's really going to awaken the car, possibly the burbles as well. The B58 always delivers, guys. Yeah guys, sounds really good in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think down below. That's gonna end it for today's video. Please comment down below what you guys think of the new 3 Series. In my opinion personally, this car is about a 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10. I know those are pretty high numbers to be marketing this car, but it just checks off everything that I'm looking for in a nice sporty sedan. But yeah guys, more content is definitely coming. I have a lot of plans for this car. I don't want to give too much away in today's video. Actually, the M3 has gone through some changes as well. No wide body or anything like that, just a lot more carbon, new wheels. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then you probably haven't seen it already. But I actually filmed some videos doing those mods, so I'm definitely going to post them throughout the week on here as well, so you guys can check them out. But yeah, that's going to end it for today's video, guys. If you guys weren't a huge fan of the new 3 Series, hopefully you guys are now. Catch you guys on the next one. Please stay safe out there. More content coming soon.